Hello class, Mr. Greeno here. In this video, I'm going to illustrate how to convert 9e base 16 to binary. So I have a Excel spreadsheet here. It's a good way to record columns of numbers rather than have you watch me try and write on some screen thing with my terrible mouse movement. So I'll use this system. So we have base 16 goes up 1, then 16, then 256 because the first column is 16 to the 0 power, which is 1. 16 to the first power, which is 16. 16 squared is 256, and we don't really have to go any further because we're just using 9e. 9 is 9, and e in hexadecimal is 14. Then we multiply these two numbers together. Well, 1 times 14 is 14, and 9 times 16 is, well, let me just use the spreadsheet can do the calculation for me. So equals 9 times 16. So I get 144. Add these two together and I'll get my decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number. So equals 144 plus 14. So now my decimal number is 158 and I have to convert that to binary. So now I'm going to do my binary numbers. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So that's 8-bit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns, 8-bit number. Should be good enough to get to 158. Always start on the left. Does 128 go into 158? Meaning is this number, 128 less than 158. If it is, then 128 can go into it. So if that answer is true, I can go into it. I put a 1. Before I go and determine anything else, I have to subtract this value that I just put into that one. So equals 158 minus 128. So I have 30 left over. Can 64 go into 30? No, 64 is bigger than 30, so it cannot go into it. So that's a 0. Can 32 go into 30? Well, it's close, but it's still bigger, so that's a 0. Can 16 go into 30? Yes. So oops, not over there, so sorry. Delete that. Yes, so I put a 1 under 16. And then I do my subtraction. Equals 30, whatever I had left over from before, minus, well now I'm putting into it now is a 16. So subtract that away. I have 14 left. Can I put 8 into 14? I can. So I put a 1 there. And over here I do equals 14 minus 8. So now I have a 6. So then I say, can 4 go into 6? Sure can. Put a 1 there. Over here equals 6 minus 4. Now I have a 2. Can 2 go into 2? Yeah, it exactly does, one time. So I'll put a 1 here. And what's 2 minus 2? Well, I don't know. 2 minus 2. Well, yeah, I do know. It's 0, right? And then can a 1 go into 0? No. So we have a 0. So the answer of 9e, e being 14 in hexadecimal, converting that to binary would be 10011110. And there you have it. Thank you.